Hi Kush,
Hi Natasha, how you been?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So actually I just, these days I've been wanting to dance a lot because I'm seeing a lot of videos and reels going viral.
Okay,
But I just feel like, I get so confused with the choreography.
okay.
So I don't know what to do. Like, do you have any idea about this?
Yeah, I've noticed a lot of women get scared because about the choreography and what is the next step, and then they get very stressed and then are like, how are we looking? Are we looking perfect? But you know what? I don't like, I do improvisational dance for my workshops.
Oh, so what exactly is improvisational dance? And like, what are the benefits?
Yeah, sure. Improvisational dance is actually a free form of intuitive movement where it allows you to be the dancer, which involves emotions, sensations through spontaneous movements of the body. And best part is there's no choreography routine.
Oh.
You just go with the flow. You don't have to follow any steps. And each session is unique and is for the moment, because I do more like dance wellness programs, so it's more to do with being in the moment,
Right.
feeling more alive and more present rather than being stressed,
Right.
about the dance step. And it's more like a wellness than performing art. This is not a
Right.
performance, it's feeling
It's
from
feeling.
within.
Right.
So this is improvisational dance. And it's off lately. I have noticed, like I keep reading a lot and all. This top doctor Aditi Noerkar, she's a doctor in Harvard. She says, that sitting is the new smoking. And science shows that there's a study that sitting, that not that exercise is not good for you, but moving, if we move and all, it reduces our stress, anxiety and burnout. But it's sitting is even worse than smoking, because we are just sitting, we are not moving, and we are not being able to,
Right.
being stagnant. Everybody wants movement.
Yes.
We can't just sit the whole day and
We
not
can't,
do,
yeah.
anything. So she said that there's a study of 800 people and Harvard people, where they say 112% higher risk of diabetes
Oh
who
my
were sitting,
God.
and
Oh.
147 risk had heart diseases.
Yeah,
You
because
know?
there's no movement, so I think
Yeah,
that.
and again, it's not only because of sitting. Lifestyle matters,
Yeah,
like smoking,
exercise.
eating and all. But she said that, movement is as important. And the best part is, it's not like a routine and stress. You
Yeah,
have
that's
to
what I wanted to ask. Do
exercise.
you have to be a dancer to learn this?
Oh, no, you don't have to be a dancer to learn this. You have to just go with the flow.
Oh,
Believe
thankfully.
it's not about like, there's a proper like structure routine.
Yeah.
It's just like, it's about expressing yourself,
So will you
connecting.
do a video with me then? Because I'm not a dancer, so I would love to.
Of course, in fact, in the next video, I'll show you, how it's done, and it'll be
Looking
good
forward.
fun.
See, I'm gonna take her up on that.
Yeah, sure, of course. So in this dance, you connect with your emotions through movement, and anybody can dance. It's basically, it makes you feel better, and you don't have to look good in dancing.
Right.
Because everyone's like, "Arey, am I doing the steps properly? Am I looking good? Is my tummy looking fat?" All that is not there. It's just about being in the moment. It's about expressing yourself, being authentic.
Right.
That's very important in basically just going with the flow. How like the
Yeah.
water goes, and every session is different.
Yeah.
Not necessarily what
So
I do in
true, yeah.
this session with you, the next session could be totally
Different,
different,
right,
because
right.
it's improvisational. Every body is different, every state of mind is different. Some people have other issues, some people get stressed, some people have anger. So if the body will respond differently.
Yeah.
So in fact, it's awesome. Like my workshops, it could be free flow movement,
Oh,
but
wow.
every movement, every free flow
Different,
is
yeah.
different. So I think
That
that's
sounds so exciting.
that's like the game
I'm
changer.
waiting for it.
And
And what are the top benefits of improvisational dance?
yeah, improvisational dance in fact has many benefits. It has mental and emotional release, which is very important. It reduces stress. Why? Because again, you don't have that pressure of, "Arey, we have
Yeah.
to dance this way and have
Correct.
to dance," and we release emotions. You notice any movement is there, all the emotions which are stuck in the body
Get
releases.
released, right.
And it improves your mood swings. Why?
Yeah.
By releasing endorphins. You notice when you're feeling stressed, you just put on music and just move, you feel so good, so
Yeah.
these things happen. And it enhances emotional intelligence because it helps you to identify that what sometimes emotion you're holding on to, because sometimes you sit and you wonder, am I angry, am I sad? So when you actually get up,
You're
you're
healing.
actually moving your
Yeah.
body, and your body is talking to you, so it's a very
Yeah, you're
good
healing
form.
yourself, right?
Yeah, and you get body awareness and confidence. And lot of like women I've seen who judge
Yeah.
their body, but this is a non-judgmental,
Yeah, that's
like
amazing.
connection with your body. And you don't have to be perfect or be ashamed of the body you
Yeah.
are or what you are. It's also self-acceptance
Right.
of yourself, which a lot of
Yes.
people don't do. It also, you get that inner confidence, oh, I can do it, so it's like, and the stress is
Yeah, I
not
think
there.
once you just get a little confident and secure of yourself, then you start opening up even more. I think they go hand in hand.
Yes, that's a very important thing. And also mind body connection, because you're totally mindful
Yeah.
when you're there. I
Yeah.
just said, even if a simple movement like someone is doing like this, you don't have to move immediately.
You don't,
You take
right.
your time, maybe you just relax, you might do deep like
Yeah.
a lot of things just open up. And
True.
sometimes I've seen people releasing tears in my workshops, which is not bad. They're like, man, we are feeling like so good and so
That's
light,
lovely. Yeah.
in our body. So
That means you're doing the
so,
right thing.
yeah, and it's inner listening. Sometimes we
Yeah.
don't even know we are angry.
Yeah.
A lot of suppressed
True.
emotions we have, and it just comes out. And I think it's so beautiful. I think you have to come to experience
Definitely,
the workshop.
I'm definitely
and
gonna
the
come.
best part is it's a movement. It's not like it's a
Yeah.
dance. It's not like, oh, we have to go this way.
Right.
Maybe the same movement, someone who's maybe a little heavy could just move a little bit.
Yeah.
So this is the process of grief, trauma, chronic stress. So all these are emotional blocks which releases from the body
Right.
and encourages the nervous system through movement patterns and everything. And best part is it enhances also creativity. You notice when we are stressed and something is just next to us, so and we can't find it, but when we are just relaxed or we just move a little bit, we just like, oh god, that thing was just
Yeah.
next to us. So these are little things,
Little
but
things, right.
it does help.
It makes a huge difference, right?
It does. It does help in daily life. So this was just a brief of
And-
what I gave you. So,
And it was a lovely brief, so thank you so much.
oh, you're
for
most
sharing.
welcome. And looking forward
To our class.
to our class,
Yes.
and looking forward for more workshops.
Yes.
In the long run. So ladies and gentlemen, don't waste your time. Just contact me. You can see my website. In fact, I have various forms of dance. My website is www.natashaadvani.com. There are different forms. You can just have a look at it, which form resonates with you, which form connects with you, and then let's rock it. Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you, guys.
I feel